Boycott China.
You must have seen these recent videos in YouTube about China. If not, then let me explain you. They are trying to tell us how China is using its diplomacy to create economic disturbance. Even Mr. Sonam made a formula to start boycotting Chinese products. One of that is Chinese apps and softwares. The problem isn't that it is China based, but it lies with our data security. If you don't know about data security, then let me make you understand. Data security means protecting digital data is stored in a database from destructive forces and from unwanted actions. And surprisingly, India doesn't have any efficient data protection law till now. Taking advantage of this, Chinese brands like this asks user for permissions to access features such as contacts, camera, microphone, sensors, location, and even text messages. I know it can be understandable if apps like Uber or Swiggy needs to know your real-time location because they are offering you a service which these of Chinese apps doesn't. Talking about a case, why does user browser wants to know the precise location of a user for just a search? This works as permission pop-up on the user screen and they get to decline or accept each request in order to access the app. And for a fun fact, most of these apps are being used by first-time users in India. The so-called dangerous permissions being taken by these apps and the data is being shared with external parties. Isn't that dangerous that your data is being transferred to the whole world without even your permission? A study found that on an average, this app transfers data to around 7 outside agencies, with 69% of the data being transferred to the US. Most of these companies uses this for advertising and surveys. It's not just up to that. Even there is Chinese national intelligence law, which requires organizations and citizens to support, assist, and cooperate with the state intelligence. It simply means that whenever the Chinese government asks these companies for data, then they have to handle all of them. It's been a puppet game. We don't know who is using our data and who is securing it. India should soon adopt this data protection laws from US, UK or Japan. If it remains the same, maybe someday you have to pay to get your data back. This type of video needs a lot of research, so please share it with everyone. That's for today. We'll catch you tomorrow.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me.